Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the headlights on your Ram 1500 Classic. This easy method will guide you step by step. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet with 8mm and 10mm sockets, and possibly a trim removal tool. Always ensure your truck's engine is off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. Also, remember to handle new bulbs by their base to prevent oil from your skin from shortening their lifespan. Now let's get to the headlight. Begin by removing the plastic cover located above your grille. It's held by about 6 plastic pushpin clips. Next, you'll need to remove the grille itself. There are typically 4 8mm bolts at the top. Once those are out, carefully unclip the bottom of the grille and set it aside. With the grille removed, you'll see 2 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly. Remove these. Then reach into the fender well to push up a white retaining tab, allowing the headlight to come free. With the headlight assembly out, you can now easily access the bulbs. First, disconnect the electrical harnesses from the back of the assembly by pressing their tabs and pulling. Next, you'll likely find a plastic cap covering the bulb. Twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it. The low beam bulb, often an H11 or high beam, a 905, can then be twisted counterclockwise and pulled out. Insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise to lock it in, ensuring it's fully seated. Now it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connectors to your headlight assembly, ensuring they click firmly into place. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its opening, making sure it aligns correctly. Secure it by tightening the 2 10mm bolts and pushing down the retaining tab until it locks. Finally, reinstall your grille and the top plastic cover with its push pins. Before closing the hood, turn on your lights to confirm they are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.